If I just have one wish for you, it's just to take recovery in your own hands. To not think that you need to actually fix symptoms to get better, because you don't. You just need to focus on getting healthy. You need to stop pushing and crashing initially just to get a baseline. Once you got your baseline, we can start to expand. As you start to expand, you build strength and stamina, your immune system gets better, you build strength and stamina, you expand, your capacity gets bigger, your purpose gets bigger, you start to expand in your life, your purpose gets even bigger, your life gets bigger, your health gets better, your symptoms decrease. Like, there's cycles, all right? And ultimately, the question is, are you in a cycle of productivity and prosperity and it's moving you towards more of what you want? Or are you in a cycle of negativity that's actually dragging you backwards, sabotaging yourself, going backwards, not doing the right things, procrastinating, keep looking for the sexy, shiny object that's going to be the next thing and then being disappointed? It's like 1 week on, 3 months off kind of thing. I'm a massive advocate for guidance and mentors because ultimately it helps you get there faster. If you want to be like someone, or if you want something that someone else has got, speak to them, join them, learn from them, study them, see what they're doing, and learn from them. It's the fastest way. I was lucky, my parents were very into kind of personal development, especially my dad, and so I was really lucky to have that mindset of, well, investing is worth it. I've had a coach since I went through chronic fatigue syndrome. And the coaches have changed over time because I don't need the same coach for this stuff because I don't have that problem anymore. But you want to start getting people in your life who have mastered what you want to master, who have done or are doing what you want to be doing, and get close to them. And I always say proximity is power. And what I mean by that is you got to surround yourself with people you want to be around, you want to be like. And you got to stop hanging out with people who are dragging you down and keeping you in an environment that you're actually currently in that you don't want to be in. Like, it's crazy. It's so simple, but it's crazy the amount of people that stay doing this stuff.